Hi folks, Terry Brown here. Thanks so much for taking a few moments of your time to check out this video today. And I've got a brief thought I want to share with you in this video. And it's about transforming our lives. Before I get into that thought, take a few moments, if you will, just to check out this beautiful picture of the ocean here. Isn't that just simply gorgeous, and man, this year, I haven't been able to get to the beach, to the ocean. I really miss it. And, I grew up on the beach. I grew up, just spending time going to the beach, and I've missed it. As a matter of fact, I've missed it for the last couple of years. But nonetheless, transforming a life. Transforming a life it's not usually done through a quantum leap experience. Okay? And I'm going to say that one more time. Transforming a life is not usually done through a quantum leap experience. Okay? It's about it's about a process. It's about growing and developing, through time. You see, we grow through time and patience and by doing something. Okay? The beautiful thing is that we can begin the process to transforming our lives whenever we are ready to do so. Okay, ready is the operative word. I mean, if you really want to change your life, you've got to be really ready to change your life. You got to really want to change your life. I learned years ago that taking little steps every day to improve my life will yield big results. Same thing for you. Taking little steps every day, okay, to improve your life will result in some big results. Jim Rohn says that the formula for success is a few simple disciplines practiced every day. You see, there's tremendous power, okay, in your ability to take action. To transform our lives, it's important that we stretch ourselves, okay? And stretching is action that takes you from what you would not normally be doing, okay, to doing something that you may have never done before, but you know that if you do it, it's going to move you to where you want to be. It's going to assist you in transforming your life if you do something that you haven't done before. You see, you can't grow in your comfort zone. I think I need to say that again. You can't grow in your comfort zone. You only grow when you stretch yourself. And so I want to encourage you, as I encourage myself, to stretch yourself so that you can soar. Now, just a couple things I want to share with you. There are going to be maybe 3 links in the description area of this video. Okay, if you are an online marketer, and if you need a autoresponder system, low cost marketing system, $10 a month, there's going to be a link there provided for you to check that out. Also, I have another link that says, it's going to say something like, share this and make big money. Okay, so you can check that out as well. And also Success Motivation Plus, which is an instant daily pay program that I'm developing. And if you want to get on that list, then you can do that as well. But I'm going to wish you a blessed and wonderful day today. Bye-bye now.